Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what is your earthly masculine's message to earthly feminine. Okay, so today's message is the first card is I realized who I am from deep within and what I want in life and how I want it and prioritized it. You are my priority. Okay, so this is easily understood. So his deep desire, what he wants, and whatever it is, whatever wishes he has, those are all wishes, and you are his only priority. That is what he is coming to tell. There is no priority list, all the remaining things are wish list. Okay, so this is his first message. Let us move on to the next message. The next message is we masculines are always family oriented persons, and so it's very uncomfortable for us to break all the social conditionings and come out of it. Yeah, because from childhood days they bring up and they shape and mold the masculines of the family as very responsible person, and they keep on telling you have to take care of everything after us, you have to take care of us, you have to take care of your sister, all this and that. They keep on putting and pressurizing the masculine, and they make the masculine as a earning member, and they make the masculine as a person who carries all the burdens in his back, isn't it? So he is always in that tension and pressure, and so he is always very scared and insecure, thinking that if his one wrong move will affect his family, then all the family members will be affected, like that and all. Because of this thinking itself, he is very uncomfortable to break the social conditioning and come out of the social conditioning and live his dreams in reality. Even he has so much of dreams, even he has so much of passion. He want to carry on his passion as his career, leaving the current job. He want to pursue all his dreams, he want to pursue his dream girl in reality. Even he has all these wishes also, he will not express it out, or he will not take any step to pursue his dreams, or he will not even tell this to anybody out. He'll have it within himself, and he'll keep on living in pain only because of this pressure and because of this responsibility. And he feels so much insecure to break all the clutches of the social conditioning and to pursue his dreams, even though when he has dreams and he knows he has these dreams, and when he knows also this is what I want and this is how I wish to live also. Okay, so we sitting here, we always keep thinking, we always keep blaming him. Why are you not taking step? Why are you not doing this? Why are you not doing that? Am I not important for you? All this we question, but he is in a very critical situation and position. That is the we also need to understand that. Okay, now let us move on to the next message. The next message is I felt very insecure, so I became silent and went to no contact zone. This is very easily understood the way I read itself.